When they see me coming, they know I'm the one, I'm the best. Yeah, the battle's just begun. Every scar's a sign. I'm carving out my path and I'm making it shine with every victory. I'm writing my own tale. I'm the best and I'm never gonna fail. I'm the best, no contest. Put your doubts to rest. Got the world in my hands. I'm rising like the best. When they see me coming, they know I'm the one. I'm the best. Yeah, the battle's just begun. Oh, I'm the best, and I'm holding the faith. Every single moment, I'm feeling so great. So here's to the future. All that's ahead, I'm the best. Yeah, this is what I said. Woke up this morning, sun on my face, got a feeling in my bones, no time to waste. Every step I take, I'm setting the pace, gonna own this day, put a smile on my face. They say the sky's the limit, but I'm flying higher, got a burning desire, my heart's on fire with every move I make. I'll reach a little farther, I'm the champion, yeah, fighter. I'm the best, no contest. Put your doubts to rest. Got the world in my hands. I'm rising like the best. When they see me coming, they know I'm the one. I'm the best. Yeah, the battle's just begun. He's making goals. I'm breaking the mold. Living every moment, watching my story unfold. They can try to bring me down, but I'm standing tall. Gonna conquer every challenge. Yeah, I'm giving it my all. They say the sky's the limit, but I'm flying higher. Got a burning desire. My heart's on fire with every move I make. I'll reach a little farther. I'm the champion, yeah, I'm a true fighter. I'm the best, no contest. Put your doubts to rest. Got the world in my hands, I'm rising like the best. When they see me coming, they know I'm the one, I'm the best. Yeah, the battle's just begun. Every setback's a lesson, every scar's a sign. I'm carving out my path and I'm making it shine with every victory. I'm writing my own tale. I'm the best and I'm never gonna fail. I'm the best, no contest. Put your doubts to rest. Got the world in my hands. I'm rising like the best. When they see me coming, they know I'm the one. I'm the best. Yeah, the battle's just begun. I'm the best, and I'm owning my faith. Every single moment, I'm feeling so great. So here's to the future, and all that's ahead. I'm the best. Yeah, this is what I said.
Good evening, everybody. Okay, let's start the session. So in the yesterday's session, we have seen how to use Chat GPT and how to prepare the timetable. I hope you may have prepared your timetable. We have given the sample timetable yesterday, and we have seen how exactly to prepare the timetable. So let us try to see what is in store for us in this session, in today's session. So let's begin the session. So let's just go ahead with our inspirational story. So what is the inspirational story? Today's inspirational story is about a 7th grade student, Anil. So Anil was a class 7 student from village near Nagpur, Maharashtra. He was quite hardworking, but mass fear was there in him. Every time the teacher wrote a big problem on the board, he would freeze, he would fear. He once failed a unit test and got a very less score out of 25. But one day, one of the retired maths teacher, Mr. Deshmukh, visited Anil's school. He told the class, he gave an instruction. What is the instruction that he gave? Maths is not talent, it's training. Even a bicycle looks hard until you learn to ride it. So it's not a talent, it comes by training. How you learn riding a bicycle, in the same way, you have to learn maths. He gave Anil a small maths practice card with only 3 problems per day and told him, practice these like brushing your teeth. Daily, no excuses have to be given. So after this inspirational story, I'll be giving you the maths practice card. So I'll be sharing the maths practice card with you. You can just write down the 3 problems that you're going to solve and just try to practice it. So that will be your daily task that you have to do. And Anil followed this card which was given by his maths teacher. Rain or shine, festival or exam, whatever situation, Anil always solved 3 problems per day. He began timing himself. So when he was writing 3 problems, he was doing how much time he has taken to solve these 3 problems. He was writing the time. And he was writing where he got stuck. While solving the problems, he was just trying to make a note of where he was stucking while doing the problem. He was celebrating every right answer with a small star. He was putting a small star immediately after completing the task. And what was the result that he got while practicing this routine? After 60 days, Anil was able to score 22 out of 25 in his next test just by practicing this one. So not only that, he began explaining maths to his younger sister. So whatever the teacher has told, he has followed that very strictly. So during the school assembly, when he was called to speak, Anil didn't wait for a miracle. He created one with practice. He was not waiting for the miracle to come, someone to come and help them to get good marks in maths. No, he initiated, he tried to practice, and he was able to score good marks in maths. And what are the takeaways that all you students can take from here? Even small daily efforts that you can put will give you big results. Very small efforts you're putting, but you'll be getting very big results. You try to believe yourself, you practice, and then definitely you're going to succeed. So now you have to start today and try to take 3 problems per day. Once you start solving it, you'll get the magic. You can see the magic. Now, do you want to have the mass practice card? So do you like to have the mass practice card? So I'll just be sharing the mass practice card with you. Just give me one moment. I'm sharing the mass practice card and I'll also show you how to practice that one. So let me share this one Word file also with you. So let me first share it over here. So this is the Word file that I'm having. You can try to observe over here. What you need to do is I'll be sharing this practice card with you and you need to practice this one. My daily mass practice card. And you have to just go on doing it. You have to write down the date. I have given you this uh, card with 7 days practice, right from Monday till Sunday. So what you have to do, you have to just put a tick mark over here, whether you have completed. You have to put a day. So today's date you are trying to put, have you solved 3 problems or not? Just go on ticking it. And you try to rate yourself from 1 to 5. If you have completed all the 3 problems for that particular day, you can give a rating of 5. So 5 star you can write. Now suppose if you have not done it, accordingly you can give 4 star, 3 star. And while solving it, were you facing any of the doubts? Then write down what doubt you had there. Later on, you try to address that doubt. So try to resolve that doubt. So in that way, you can make for 7 days. So try to practice this one. And once again, it is better you take the printout of this one. Every 7 days, you can just go on writing it so that we'll come to know your progress exactly. So what is the challenge for you? This is a weekly challenge that you need to do it, and you have to complete for all the 7 days. That is the reason why I have given you 7 rows over here, starting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. And you have to make it a point that you're going to ask one new doubt every week, whether to your friend, whether to your teacher, whether to your tuition teacher, right? Or at home, you need to ask some doubt and clarify the doubt. So you will get in a habit of asking and habit of clarifying your doubts. And also try to explain one problem to your friend. You have to explain one problem to your friend. So then further, what you have to do is every day you need to read this loudly. I grow with every sum I solve. I am becoming a mass star. I grow with every sum I solve. I am becoming a mass star. So this you have to read it so that you get a motivation to complete this practice card. So I'll be sharing it. Just give me one moment. I'll be sharing this in the chat box itself. So every week one printout you have to take. So the 7 days it'll be one printout. So one printout will work for 7 days. So you have the goal card. You want to read it. Read the goal card. Who wants to read the goal card? Okay, I will read it. You can just repeat after me. I'll be reading it. You have to repeat after me. I want to score more than 90% marks in maths in my final exam. I want to score more than 90% marks in maths in my final exam. I want to score more than 90% marks in maths in my final exam. So try to read it daily so that you get motivated to score good marks. Now coming to the journal writing. Now what you have to do over here in the case of the journal writing is you have to write down this in your notebook. So the notebook that you'll be writing every day will be called as your journal. So in the journal, you have to write down all the statements. So you can just take the screenshot of this one and try to write down in your notes. This is the sample copy I have shown you. It is not exactly how you need to write down. So what you have to write down is, if mass was a superpower, what I am going to do? This is the question. If mass is a superpower, what I am going to do? So this is the question. Let me write down the question so that you will come to know. Just give me one moment. I'll be writing down the question. So this is the question that you have. So if mass were a superpower, I would. What you want to do it? So this you have to write down in your notebook what you want to do it. So I have given just a sample copy over here. If mass was a superpower, I would. So after that, the complete statement you have to write down. What will happen to your mind when you are trying to write down? You'll know the actual properties of mass. You will be knowing the applications of mass, where exactly mass is being used and how mass is being used. You will be knowing the application. So I have given you an example over here. I'll just try to read this one. If mass were a superpower, I would use it to unlock the secrets of the world and solve huge mysteries. Imagine being able to find the best way to clean our ocean. So you're trying to create some of the machinery which can clean our oceans, because nowadays you can observe that oceans are being polluted. So how to remove that? So you'll try to make some machinery using some mathematical logic and try to make a machinery. So this is you're going to write. Or designing a super cool machine that turns trash into clean energy. Trash is the dustbin, like dustbin, dust you'll be having, whatever you throw, no? So the trash, unnecessary things which are there, you will try to take that one, use that trash and try to create something and make a clean energy out of it. With mass, I would build a flying car. So use the recent technology. In that recent technology, you can use some applications of mass there and try to build a flying car. So what type of car? That runs on a solar power. You're trying to build a flying car that runs on a solar power, or maybe even figure out the fastest way to travel to space. How you're going to travel to space, the fastest way, maybe with the speed of light. So can you create that one? Use some mathematical statement, use some logic, use your mathematical abilities. In future, you're going to do that one. So that is what you're trying to imagine. If you are given a superpower, what you are going to do it? And who knows, maybe I will discover a way to cure diseases like cancer using the pattern of cells. Now, this is how the sample copy I have given you. You can create your own. You have to write down your own and try to share me this one. So if mass was a superpower, I would dash. So try to write down. I have given a sample copy over here. If you want, you can just take this screenshot of this one. Take a screenshot so that accordingly you'll get an idea on how to write down. So I hope you might have taken it. I'll try to move on to the next slide. Now today's pledge. Anybody who wants to take the pledge, today's pledge?
Hello, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
So now others, you can just stand up, keep your hand straight over here, and you have to take the pledge. You're promising yourself. Yes, go ahead.
I am brave enough to face any math problem. Every challenge I meet sharpens my mind. I don't back down, I break it down. I am brave enough to face any math problem. Every challenge I meet sharpens my mind. I don't back down, I break it down. I am brave enough to face any math problem. Every challenge I meet sharpens my mind. I don't back down, I break it down. I know math is for everyone, including me. Math doesn't choose favorites, it welcomes all. I belong in the world of numbers and logic. I know math is for everyone, including me. Math doesn't choose favorites, it welcomes all. I belong in the world of numbers and logic. I know is for everyone, including me. Math doesn't choose favorites, it welcomes all. I belong in the world of numbers and logic.
Okay, great. Okay, others, you can just clap for Afia. I think at least you can do that one. Those who are there in the room, you can just clap for her. I think at least you can do this one. Okay, great. The main aim of this session, you have to remember that we are assembling over here. We are doing this session. Our main target is remove fear. Remove fear from our mind, remove fear from our heart. Once we become fearless, you'll not become just good in maths, you will try to become good in each and every subject. This you have to keep in mind, because the block that you are having, you have to remove that block. What is that block you have? The block that you have is fear. Fear kills the thinking of the human mind. If you have fear, you are tensed, you'll not be able to think. So that's the reason why you have to come forward and speak. I think every time, every day, I'm just trying to emphasize on speaking. As I'm emphasizing, the aim of this session is to become bold. So that's the main purpose. You should be bold enough. You have to remove your fear and you should become fearless. Once you become fearless, you will do wonders. You can just imagine what you can do. So you have to come forward. You should not run away. You have to come forward, try to speak, try to take part in the entire session. All right. When you are able to clap, when you can clap, you can even speak. Initially, nobody will judge you. All right. You can speak, whatever comes, you have to just speak. Read. If you're not able to speak, at least you can read it. That is what you have to do it, right? Afia has completed the activity. Shall I share your activity? Yes, Afia, shall I share your activity? Or the timetable that you have done, can I share it so that others will also get an idea? Okay, I'll just try to share. Just give me one moment time. I'll be sharing the timetable. You'll get an idea on how to prepare the timetable. You should not just prepare the timetable, you need to even follow the timetable. You can observe over here that this is the timetable that is being prepared. So accordingly, you people can also prepare the timetable. So this is the timetable prepared by Afia. So according to her, this thing she has prepared it. So even she has included study timetable, break, mass practice, study time, time for prayer also, lunch, study time, and the next the afternoon time also, free time, prayer time, homework time, right? So then 9 o'clock, after 9, it's sleeping time, right? So this is how you can prepare your own timetable. So just try to prepare your own timetable so that you'll know what has to be done. Now, what happens if you're trying to prepare the timetable? Is it necessary to prepare the timetable? Definitely, it is necessary to prepare the timetable. The moment you try to prepare the timetable and follow the timetable, you are making yourself responsible. And once you become responsible, you'll become disciplined. Once you're disciplined, each and every work you'll try to do in a particular order. So that's the reason why you need to prepare a timetable and try to follow the timetable. And since I have shared this document to you, you try to, once again, I'll just try to share the same document that I have shared, this file, which is the daily practice card. I hope you have downloaded this daily practice card. So just try to download this daily practice card and try to complete your work every day. So this is a weekly card. If you want, you can just try to take a printout in the card. A weekly one card, you can make it. So in that way, you can make 4 to 5 cards in a month and try to keep it. Or in a paper itself, you can do it. So try to complete this one every day and try to follow a specific timetable. If you try to follow a specific timetable, and definitely you'll be able to do wonders. All right. And before we wind up the class, we'll just try to have the meditation session now before we wind up the class. So what you have to do now is just try to close your eyes, take a deep breath, close your eyes and try to take a deep breath. Relax yourself. Try to take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out. 3 times you try to breathe in, 3 times you try to breathe out. Just try to relax yourself. Relax yourself. Make your mind free. You're relaxed now. Make your mind free. Make your mind free. So in today's meditation session, we are going to concentrate on the assignment that I have given. Close your eyes and imagine that you have started preparing your math daily practice card. You have prepared the math daily practice card. You have promised yourself that you'll be doing 3 problems per day. First day you have started. You have completed 3 problems. You have completed 3 problems and you're just ticking it. First tick, second tick, third tick. And then you're trying to rate yourself. The rating is from 1 to 5. You're just putting 5 star. You're putting 5 star. And you're writing down the next one. If you're having any doubt, if you don't have any doubt, you're just writing excellent. You're completing the task. First day task is complete. You're moving for the next day. Second day task also, you completed 3 problems. You're just putting a tick. Again, you're putting 5 star. Third day has come. Third day also, you have completed your task. 3 problems you have done and you're putting 5 star. You entered into fourth day. Fourth day also you have completed the task. You entered into the fifth day, you have completed the fifth day task. You entered into the sixth day, you have completed the sixth day task. You have entered into last day, the seventh day. You have completed the 3 problems and you're just putting a tick and you're writing 5 star. Then try to take the average of all the stars that you have taken. So overall, what you have got is 5 star. You got a 5 star rating for your work. You have completed your work. So totally how many problems you have done? 7 3s are 21 problems you have done in a week. 21 problems you have done and you are very happy. You're clapping for yourself. You're giving a tap on your back. Just see yourself giving a tap on your back and appreciating yourself that you have completed that particular week's task. And you're seeing that you're trying to complete the task regularly every week. Every week you're trying to complete the task. Every month you're trying to complete the task. Every year, a complete 1 year you have completed the task. So since you have completed that task on a regular basis, You're very happily entering to the examination hall with the confidence that you'll be writing the exam very well. You have written your exam excellently. You have got the result, and you try to see your result. You're wondering yourself that you have got 100 out of 100 in maths. You have got 100 out of 100 in maths. You're very happy. You're very excited. You're informing everybody at home that you have secured 100 out of 100 in maths. The goal that you have kept at the beginning, you have written a goal card that you'll be achieving 100% maths. Now you have achieved after 1 year, and you're very happy. You're celebrating your success. You're celebrating your success. Try to enjoy. Try to see yourself enjoying. Feel that happiness. Bring a smile on your face. Bring a smile on your face. See how happy you are. See how happy you are. See how your family members are happy with you. How your family members are treating you. How they are appreciating you. See your friends appreciating you. See your friends how they are appreciating you. How many friends are calling you and appreciating you? How many friends are coming and appreciating you? So try to see yourself. Imagine how you are feeling there. Try to feel that happiness now. What future happiness you are trying to see, feel that happiness now. Feel that you're happy. Enjoy yourself. And once you're completed the way that you have enjoyed, open your eyes slowly. Open your eyes slowly. The moment you open your eyes, try to bring a smile on your face and try to see yourself in a mirror, the same happiness that you're going to see 1 year later. So how you're feeling? How you're feeling that you already seen your future. You already seen your future. After 1 year, what you're going to do, what you're going to achieve. You imagine now itself. Now, how it was, how you are able to achieve that one? You're able to achieve because you're trying to practice at a consistent basis, weekly, monthly, and one complete year you are trying to practice. So that is the reason why you're able to achieve that success. I hope you'll try to follow that one, try to practice it on a consistent basis. And so once you practice on a consistent basis, definitely you'll be able to achieve great success. So Gagana says, amazing, sir. I'm waiting for your reply. I'm waiting for your reply. So another, yeah. Afia says, super. What about Ashwin? Are you there? Now this session's Ashwin, yeah, yes. Okay. How you felt? What are your feelings? Very nice. Okay, fine. Now, when you are attending this session, your total concentration should be on this session. So the more you concentrate over here, the more you are involved in this session, the more you'll be getting over here, the more benefit you'll try to get from this session. So that's all I have in this session. Meet you tomorrow at the same time. The reason why I'm asking you to speak has a certain meaning, very important meaning. You'll come to know that later, not now. I'm asking you to speak in this class with a definite purpose, because I know the moment you start speaking, you'll do wonders. So that's the reason why I emphasize on speaking in the class. So you have to come forward. So meet you tomorrow at the same time at 8 p.m. Till then, goodbye. Good night.